An electron of mass 9.1 times 10 raised to power minus 31 kilogram moves with a speed of 2 times 10 raised to power 6 meter per second round the nucleus of an atom in a circular path of radius 6.1 times 10 raised to power minus 11 meter. Calculate the centripetal force acting on the electron. Now, I would like us to highlight what we are given in this question. What are we given? We are given mass of an electron. I'll call that M is equal to 9.1 times 10 raised to power minus 31 kilogram. The next thing we are given the speed, and that is also velocity. Don't forget, speed and velocity are used interchangeably. So the speed is also the velocity, and that is 2 times 10 raised to power 6 meter per second. And then we are given the radius of the circular path in which the electron moves, and that is letter R is equal to 6.1 times 10 raised to power minus 11 meter. And then we are asked to find the centripetal force, and that is F is equal to question mark. Now, this is a circular motion. So we have to use the formula for force in a centripetal, the formula for force in a circular motion. So that formula is F is equal to mv square all over R. So this is the formula for centripetal force in a circular motion. And that will be equal to, by the time of substitute value, the mass is 9.1 times 10 raised to power minus 31 multiplied by velocity, and that is 2 times 10 raised to power 6. Don't forget, it is the square of the velocity, so we have to square it. And then all divided by the radius. That's the radius of the circular path. And that radius is 6.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 11. So for us to use a calculator so that we will not make mistake, what we can do first is to multiply this term inside the bracket, and then whatever you get, you square the value. After squaring the value, then you multiply by 9.1 times 10 raised to power minus 31. You multiply by this value. After that, you now divide. When you are dividing, please, like I always say, don't forget to put this in brackets. Always put this in bracket, this denominator, so that you will not get a wrong answer. So by the time you are dividing by this value, make sure you enclose these values in a bracket when you are typing in the calculator. There's bracket in the calculator. So when you divide this and finally you arrive at your answer, it is going to give you the value of the force as equal to 5.97 times 10 raised to power minus 8 Newton. And this is the value of the centripetal force. And that's the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.